impossible to take on both gigs, right? So doing advertising, work flexible, maybe we booked over at Sound Springs.
What? Come on, that's a big account. They should always be prioritized. You know that.
Yeah, look, I can't run the sessions and handle account services, right? This isn't a one-woman operation.
Look, it's not like I flicked or something.
Okay, I know, I get it. I'm not mad. I'm just saying stuff's slipping.
I'm here now.
How's she doing?
Just getting there.